As I shared yesterday, US crude might hit 92 levels. Precisely, it has achieved 92 and now trading below 90 again. Likewise, US NG is also now at 7.82. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicator. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day. See, this is the hourly charts for US crude, and you can see it is well connected. Lower highs are there. Also, if you see the highs, the lows are getting at the higher level, so it is trying to narrow it. And if you see it again trading above 90.2, go long. So this is also clear here. Once again the same levels, if you see it trading beyond 90.2, go long, and then you can see it flying on the upside. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Similarly on the 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts, it is kind of a head and shoulder formation, but still you have to be cautious of these levels beyond 90.2, then be cautious of 90.5. On the downside, as I have shared yesterday also, go short at 89.5. Below 89.5, you will expect 89 levels to give a support. Below 89, definitely it is going to crash till towards 88 and 87.5. And remember, 87.5, this is a very strong support. Below that, it is going to crash. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is at bottom and comfortable. MACD has just crossed over, and this is a bearish cross here, indicating bearish momentum may continue. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, to see now here at 90.5, it is getting a stronger resistance there. So yes, this levels, but again today you can take a long entry at 90.2 itself and then expect 90.5. Beyond 90.5, it may rise again. On the downside, you have to be watchful of 89.5 levels. Once it draws below 89.5, be watchful of 89.2 and 89 levels. Only below 89 you can confirm that it is going to break heavily. Then 88.5, 88 and 87.5. Till 87.5 it has got stronger support. Below 87.5 we may see it crashing. Directional movement bearish, strongly bearish rather, I'll say. Stochastic is crossing over for a bearish move, bullish move rather. It is looking upwards now. MACD is trying to converge here. RSI is looking downwards with a very little slope. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, can you see a symmetry here? See, compare these two candles. It is trying to form a symmetry, and yes, the next to next candles is something. See, 2 candles, 3 candles, 2 candles, 3 candles, and then you have seen it rising. Now it is may try to come back again. Higher lows at 88 can be expected, and from there we will see how it behaves, because 88 and 87.5 are now going to be the strongest support. Only and only if it draws below 87.5, you can go short. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Though the daily candle is yet to form or the new candle is yet to start, but look at this. See these 2 candles. This is the previous candles will definitely be of indecision, but yes, next candle whenever it starts and if it draws below 89.5, yes, you can go short and then expect 88.5, 88, and then below that you can expect further drop till towards 87.5. Be watchful. 87.5, 87 strong support, and then it is going to crash heavily. Consider this as retracement, and then the drop. Also look at this. If you look at the daily charts, see on the daily charts it has completed the retracement here, and it is trying to trade in this channel. The bottom of this channel is below 85 levels, and hence you can be cautious. Directional movement is still bearish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI is near to bottom. See, only reversal indication on US crude is if it trades above 95, but for that to achieve today you have to go long above 90.2. Beyond 90.2, be watchful of 91, 90.5, 91, and then 92. Once it trades above 92, it will show you a strong bullish momentum for 93.5, 95 levels. On the downside, you can go short below 89.5 itself, then expect 89.2, 88.5, 88, 87.5. Below 87.5 and 87, it is going to crash for 84 levels. So you can remain short for the rest of the week, and you can expect it to drop. So take your trades accordingly. Be watchful. Right now it is still trying to end in a doji, and the day in a doji, and the next candle will decide which direction it takes. Any move above 91 should be a very good indication that it is certainly going to remain bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at NG. NG on the hourly charts, though it is giving a reversal indication from 7.8, but at the same time we must not forget that it is giving you higher lows, lower highs, trying to consolidate. So next time if you see it trading beyond 7.87, go long there. Expect it to rise again till towards 7.88, and then beyond that 7.95, $8 levels will come into picture, and only short entry I will recommend if you see it trading below 7.8 levels. Once you see it dropping below 7.8, you can go short for 7.75, 7.7, and then below that we may see a crash. See, in the long run it is trying to form a support out there, so for the day 7.75 should be a very good support. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is overbought and now looking downward. MACD is looking to converge, RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts here, you will find that higher lows are still there, lower highs are still there, and once it breaks out of this zone precisely at 7.8, you can go short for 7.75, 7.72, and then 7.7 levels, very strong support there. And if it breaks below 7.7, a stronger drop can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is wide divergent and bullish, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you can find still lower highs, higher lows, these two candles almost forming a symmetry. Go long at 7.87, go short at 7.8, and below that you can expect it to drop. The directional movement is still bearish, stochastic is entering into overbought levels, MACD is wide divergent and bullish. See, on the 3-hour charts it is still bullish, it is divergent and in green. RSI is near to top, trading comfortable rather, and trading with a slightly negative slope, but let's be cautious. Look at the 4-hour charts. Similarly, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and trying to consolidate. Any breakout beyond 7.87 and any breakdown below 7.8 levels should be a very good indication that it is trying to give you a breakout. Beyond 7.87, you can expect 7.9, very strong resistance, and then beyond that we will look forward to $8 levels on the downside. Once it drops below 7.8, you can expect it to drop further, and how far it can go, 7.75 with a very strong support, and then 7.7 levels. Below 7.7 it is going to crash further. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour charts, and it is looking forward to cross. MACD, you can see it is just crossover, and this is a bullish crossover. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, 7.5 levels, it has taken the support at, it is trying to rise despite it giving lower highs. Also there is a gap to be filled from the weekend opening, which is precisely at around $8 level. So yes, this zone at 7.8, 7.9, if it breaks past 7.9, then you can expect it is going to fill the gap at $8 levels, and then it will resume the bullish run again, and it may try to attempt and achieve 8.2, 8.4 levels. Directional movement is bullish, but it is trying to converge, stochastic looking downwards. MACD has crossed over and it is on the sell side. RSI is also looking comfortable. So if you see probably below 7.5 today, then you can expect that it may come back till towards 7.2 and below levels. At the same time, one must not forget that it is trying to trade in this bearish channel, and the highs of this channel are now at around 8.2, 8.3. There is a possibility that if it breaks past 7.9, you can expect it to see it further rising till towards $8 and 8.2 level. For the day, go long at 7.87 and go short at 7.8. Below 7.8, you can expect that it may get very strong support at 7.75. First, very strong support, 7.7, next very strong support, and only if it trades below 7.7, you can expect that we may see 7.6 and 7.5 levels, and below that it is going to crash for 7.2. On the upside, if it trades above 7.87, you can expect that we may see a little resistance at 7.95, and then $8 levels will come into picture. So 7.9 first target, 7.95, 8, and then beyond that it will fly for 8.2, 8.3 zone. So take your positions accordingly. Also till 7.5, it can show you the swings, it can again bounce back. Also till $8, 8.2 levels, it can again come downwards. So larger swing zone for the week is between 7.5 and 8.4. Take your trades accordingly. Till then, keep enjoying the moves with the stop loss, with the trailing stop loss. Keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Keep closing some of your trades or complete trades, or shift your stop loss to the first milestone when it gets achieved, and only continue if it continues in the direction of your trade. Else you can exit, or else you can re-enter again if you see it again trying to enter trade in your direction. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.